executive decision. It's January 2025. First time I rode this trail and recorded it, it was freshly built and not really worn in yet. So now that it's finally a little bit more worn in, let's give her a send. It's about 32 degrees out, Fahrenheit or 0 Celsius, so ignore my noisy damper. Ooh, icy. At least you know what I'm getting here. So rollers. Casing them a little bit. A little afraid to go fast on the ice. Yeah, I don't know that one. A little more speed here. Ooh, this is really icy. Rider. Oh, this is such a big divot. All right, bottom part's still a little messed up from the winter. Ooh, I'm sliding everywhere. Oh. And that's exact decision. Ooh. Man, beat, it is so cold. At least that's the jumpy part. This part will take you all the way down to middle physical therapy, and definitely not going to do that today. Thanks for watching.